Welcome to Sun Nail Art Therapy, how to set up your all-in-one Empower Kit. All-in-one Empower Kit has everything you need to create gorgeous press-on nails. Your kit will include the power card, nail tip display and holder, application kit, full cover gel nail tips, sticker for your water bottle, mini LED light, watercolor paint set including the brush, nail care case to store your nails after, gel polishes like Empowering White, glossy top coat, and matte top coat, and of course the USB charger cable for your LED light. Make sure to charge mini LED light before you use it. Time to prepare the nail tip display and holder. Make sure you wash your hands to eliminate excess oils before you start. Apply the sticky tabs on each nail tip stand. You have 10 sticky tabs. You will need to use only 5 and save 5 for extra. Remove tabs covers. To ensure it removes easily, press on each nail tab firmly before removing the tabs. Separate the nail tip holders before applying nail tips. Let's measure the full cover gel nail tips. Choose one gel tip that you think fits the thumbnail the best. This tip is too wide, make sure your tip fits well. When the tip fits well, it should cover the natural nail on both sides, like so. Continue measuring one nail tip at a time. These tips are fully edged to ensure the ideal adhesion to the nail as well as the ideal adhesion of the polish to the tip. There are 15 sizes and 2 of each size. You will find your perfect fit. Often, but not necessarily, the nail tip on your dominant hand will be one size bigger than the tip on the same finger on your non-dominant hand. If the tab is wider than the nail tip, bring the sides closer together. Then hide it under the nail tip for the best gel polish application later. If you choose to make more than one set of nails or need additional sizes, you can purchase an extra set of full cover gel nail tips at www.sunandnailarttherapy.com. Next, prepare the paintbrush. You can take the paintbrush apart and add water to the reservoir. Remove the glue from the tip of the brush. Dust as much glue off of the brush as you can. Next, finish prepping the nail tips. You will need the nail file from the application kit. You may have already noticed that gel tips have rough edges. We will make it smooth before applying gel polish. File gently the tip's edge. You may choose to adjust the shape of the tip at this point. You may file it more to make the tip shorter or rounder. Repeat the steps on 5 tips, or prepare all 10, then keep one hand set inside the nail care case before polishing. Get excited in anticipation of your next nail design project. It is ready. I will see you in the next video, beautiful soul.